The next critical step is cooking and pressing. The crushed kernels are heated to a specific temperature to optimize oil flow during pressing. This thermal treatment also helps in deactivating enzymes that could affect oil quality. Following this, the material is fed into screw presses or expellers, where mechanical pressure forces the oil out of the solid matter. The remaining solids, known as cottonseed cake oil, solvent extraction is another essential stage for maximizing oil yield. In this process, hexane or similar solvents are used to dissolve the residual oil from the pressed material. The mixture of oil and the solvent is then separated through distillation, leaving pure oil and recoverable solvent. Finally, the crude cottonseed oil undergoes refining processes, including degumming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization, to remove impurities, improve color throughout the entire process. Maintaining appropriate temperatures, pressures, and timing is crucial for ensuring both the quantity and quality of the extracted oil. Modern cottonseed oil processing equipment integrates advanced technology and automation.